Picture this, a quiet night sky twinkling with stars. But beyond the calm, a galactic drama unfolds, a tale of cosmic hunger that's been raging for billions of years. Our Milky Way, a swirling titan of 400 billion stars, isn't just sitting pretty, it's devouring a smaller galaxy, the Sagittarius Dwarf, in a slow-motion feast that's rewriting our universe's history. Rewind the clock, 6 billion years ago. The Milky Way's disk is young, a chaotic swirl of gas and dust. Suddenly a shadow looms. Sagittarius, a pint-sized galaxy with tens of millions of stars, plunges through our galactic plane like a stone through water. Its gravity ripples the Milky Way, squeezing gas clouds into furious bursts of starbirth. One massive collision, detected in 2020 by astronomers peering through Gaia's cosmic lens, sends shockwaves across 50,000 light-years. And here's the kicker. 4.6 billion years ago, right in that window, our sun flickers to life from a collapsing nebula. Coincidence? Maybe not. Scientists say these galactic crashes could have sparked the stellar nursery that birthed our solar system, a mind-blowing link tying our existence to this ancient merger. Fast forward to 2 billion years ago. Sagittarius swings back, battered but defiant, carving another gash through the Milky Way. Its tidal streams, ghostly rivers of stolen stars, stretch across our sky, looping 70,000 light-years from Earth. Each pass strips it bare, leaving trails we've only just mapped with Gaia's star-tracking wizardry. 1 billion years ago, it strikes again, sending wobbles through our galaxy's disk. Ripples so powerful they're still sloshing today, uncovered in 2022 data. These collisions didn't just reshape the Milky Way, they might have tugged at the sun's orbit, nudging it through the galaxy like a pebble skipping across a pond. Now here's where it gets wild. Could these cosmic clashes have left scars on our solar system? Uranus, that oddball planet, tilted 98 degrees on its side. Scientists say a massive impact flipped it long ago. But what if Sagittarius's gravitational chaos stirred the debris that smashed it? Venus spins backward, a freak in our planetary lineup. Could a ripple from 2 billion years ago have jostled its young orbit, flipping its dance? And Mars, its crust hides a bizarre split, the Valles Marineris, a canyon 10 times longer than the Grand Canyon. Some whisper it cracked under tidal stresses from a galactic tug-of-war. No proof pins these quirks directly to Sagittarius, but the timing's uncanny. Our planet's weird behaviors might echo a galactic brawl we're only now piecing together. Today, Sagittarius is a fading ghost 50,000 light-years from our core, its core cluster, M54, doomed to dissolve in a billion years. Its streams lace our halo, a cosmic breadcrumb trail of a merger still unfolding. The sun cruises safe in the disk, 27,000 light-years out, but its birth might owe a debt to this clash. And in 100 million years, when Sagittarius swings by again, who knows what ripples it'll stir. So next time you gaze at the stars, remember, our Milky Way's a galactic predator, and its meal might have shaped the worlds we call home. Uranus's tilt, Venus's spin, Mars' scars. Could they whisper secrets of a collision 6 billion years in the making? The universe isn't just vast, it's alive, and we're part of its wild, star-eating saga.